We depend on our phones, we depend on our computers, our tablets, our different devices. In fact, to the point where we don't really know how we got along without them. So what happens when you forget to charge your phone? You know, I've done it a number of times, just slipped my mind, went to bed, woke up, had very little power. I was getting ready to go on a trip of some sort. You know, I might have my car charger, I might be somewhere where I can't get power. You may have a power outage. There are a number of things that can happen, and because we depend on our phone so much, it's really important to have a backup. Now, I've done a couple of reviews on battery backups, but even those need to be charged. It comes with the charger, and the solar panel is embedded in the charger. It has a really nice hard rubber case, and I really like this. It's resistant to shock, but it's also resistant to dust and to water. This is shockproof, dustproof, and it is water resistant. You don't want to submerge it, but if it gets wet in a puddle, you're going to be fine. It comes with a small charging cable that connects the charger with a power source. To charge your phone, you'll need to have your USB from your phone charger to plug into this. And because of that, it allows for iPhones, Androids, all the different type devices. Have your charging cable plugged in. Take the USB cable, put it in the port. Here we go, it'll start charging. You have to have this on to get the charge going, but here we go. It also has a small little carabiner to be able to clip right here, and then you can clip this to your pack or put it somewhere where it's real handy. Here, even with this MOLLE webbing, take my charger, hook it to it. This allows me to charge as I go. This battery is going to be charging as it just sits on my pack. Your on-off switch is right here. Just click it one time and then you're going to find out how much power you have. This is going to be the indicator. It's at 25% now. It goes up to 50, 75, and 100% when all four of these LEDs are in the blue condition. To turn it off, just press and hold. Now when this is being charged with solar, which will be passive, anytime you have this setting out, this will turn green, just this one LED. The green light indicates that the solar panel is being charged. Any kind of block of the panel will shut the green light off, but even ambient light will charge this. You're not supposed to put this in direct bright sunlight. Even in a car that's closed up, if the temperature reaches a certain level, it can damage the charger. This is not being charged, but if you put it under a light, you can see that the green light comes on, and when the green light comes on, that means you're charging. So even indoors, very similar to a calculator that has a charging unit. They can recharge by the light that's in a closed room. Your connections are under this little rubber boot, and you can see right here a USB cable, and then also your micro USB, which fits the charger right here, and then this goes into your computer. Here we have the charger hooked up to the computer via the USB cable, and you can see that it's charging. It's working on the 75% with the blue light. Now once this reaches 100%, it'll shut off and it won't keep charging. If you're charging your phone, you use the USB cable on your phone and then hook your regular cable into the device. We have one USB port on this side and then another USB port on the other side. These close down. You may want to make sure those stay in the closed position. That's going to help keep this more water resistant. Okay, on your power switch you can double click and the LED comes on. Here the on and off button, click it twice. You have your light. Not super bright, but not too bad. I mean, it makes a great emergency light. Of course, really you should have an EDC light in your pocket, but this definitely is a great backup, and it is rechargeable. And double click and it's off. It does come in a couple of different colors. It comes in green and black and blue and black. It may come in some others. Now it does have a 5,000 milliamp lithium polymer battery, and so when you're charging that battery, it's going to be able to hold this charge. Now the solar panel actually charges the battery. You can't directly charge your phone from the solar panel. And so that's one of the things that you're connecting the battery to a power source or to solar, and it's building it up.